Good morning, students. My name is Teacher Nas, and I'm your mathematics teacher for this school year. Our topic today is on linear equation in one variable. When we say linear equation in one variable, we are going to study problems involving age, money, and many more. So under this topic, linear equation in one variable, we have like to find the solution of a given equation, and then we will be using different terminologies like transpose. Transpose means that we are going to move a term or terms in the other side of the equation. So that's transpose. And once we move equation or term from the other side of the equation, the operation will change. If we have plus, it will become minus, and if we have minus, it will become plus. We also be using the word divide, multiply. Under this topic, we will be also using or studying the applications involving age, mixture, money, and etc. So for example, we have here x plus 5 is equal to 1. If we are going to find the solution of this equation, first is we are going to transpose 5 on the other side of the equation. So we will have x is equal to 1. We will change the operation from plus 5 to minus 5. So here we can now have x is equal to negative 4. If we substitute negative 4 with the x here, so we have negative 4 plus 5, we will get positive 1. So they are equal to each other. Therefore, negative 4 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, so for example number 2, we have 2x minus 4 is equal to 12. We will apply what we have learned from equation number 1, which is transpose. So we will transpose negative 4 on the other side of the equation. So we have 2x is equal to 12. We have minus 4, so it will become plus 4. So 2x now is equal to 16. And since we have 2 here as the coefficient of x, we will divide both sides with 2. So we will cancel that one. So x now is equal to 8. So if we replace x with 8, so that will become 16 minus 4 is 12. So the two sides of the equation is equal 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, 8 is the solution of example number 2, 2x minus 4 equals 12. Example number 3. We have 3x minus 1 is equal to x minus 13. So as you can see, we have x's in both sides of the equation. So we will transpose negative 1 on the other side, and we will transpose x on the other side of the equation. So what will happen now is we have 3x transpose x, so that will become minus x is equal to copy negative 13, and you transpose negative 1 on the other side, so negative 1 will become positive 1. So 3x minus x, that is equal to 2x. That is equal to negative 13 plus 1 is negative 12. We have 2 as the coefficient of x, so we will divide both sides with 2. So we can cancel that one out. So x now is equal to negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. If we substitute x here with negative 6, as well as substitute this x as well with negative 6. So what will happen is we have negative 18 minus 1, that will give us negative 19. And then we have here negative 6 minus 13 is also negative 19. So both sides of the equation is equal. Therefore, negative 6 is the solution of the equation. So example number 4. We have 2x over 3 is equal to 5x over 2 plus 10. So remember that we have fraction here. So what we're going to do here is we are going to identify the LCM of the denominator, which is 3 and 2. So the LCM is equal to 6. I will multiply 6 to each term of the equation. And then 6 divided by 3 here is actually equal to 2. This 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4x. That is equal to 3 times 5 is equal to 15x plus 60. So 6 times 10 is 60. So we'll transpose 15x on the other side. So we have 4x minus 15x is equal to 60. So we will combine them together, so that will give us 4x minus 15x is equal to negative 11x, that is equal to 60. And then a negative 11 is the coefficient of x, so we will divide both term with negative 11. So the answer is x is equal to 60 over 11, which is actually negative. So you can check actually if this will satisfy the equation. If it will satisfy, then it's a solution. But if it will not, then 60 over 11 negative is not a solution of the equation. So those are the four examples we had today. And well, I hope to give you more activities later on. So to end this class, I'm going to give you a homework here. So we have 5 items as a homework. We have number 1, 2, and 3. And then 4 and number 5 is on the next page. So that's all for today. Have a good day and keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.